Hey guys, Austin Cook here at the Tintstitute. I want to spend a couple minutes talking about the new Suntek Black PPF. It's absolutely incredible. 8-year warranty. It gives us an opportunity to upsell when people come in for the front clip with the clear PPF. It not only has the clarity, but it has the color. It's better than any black vinyl. I just, matter of fact, went and grabbed one of our best black vinyls. I'm not going to mention any names. It looks great when it's not next to the car. I took off the cap and it just looks comical next to the black PPF. So considering getting some, it is a little bit more. The matte PPF is 20% more than the clear. The black PPF is 50% more than the clear. So it's not going to be every day that we're doing full cars in this, but again, it offers a great opportunity to do upsells on the hoods and the roofs. So keep this in mind. Definitely request a sample so that you can see this, because when you see it, it's going to be an easy sell. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.